So hey there and good day guys, welcome back to my channel. So right now guys, if you want to learn about how to dropship from AliExpress to Shopee, just continue to watch this video. So today I will be teaching you on how to dropship from AliExpress to Shopee. And we all know guys that AliExpress is very important in dropshipping guys because it serves several reasons guys, right? So after that one guys, then in dropshipping guys is you also need this another website where you will log in here your account of your Shopee because this is connected to AliExpress. And in here guys, we will go back here to this AliExpress, and then right here guys is you will see here some variations of products as you can see here. And then first things first is we need to log in our account here because we cannot order if we don't have a account. So first things first is you just need to log in. You can connect this one on your Facebook, Google, or your X account. So in my case guys, I will just connect my Google account. We'll just wait for a little bit. And then right here guys, we just need to tap on this one and then continue. Alright. And then after that one guys, is you will be headed here again to the AliExpress platform. But this time guys, is you are now already logged in. So you can see that one guys. And as you scroll down a bit guys, you will see here some products that we will use for our drop shipping. Okay, as you can see here guys, so you can choose here what kind of product we want to drop ship. So you can also see here the categories for you to make a easier shopping. So you can see there are a lot of categories here guys that you can choose, and it's up to you. And for that guys, let's proceed by choosing our first product for us to start our drop shipping. So right now guys, we will just need to find a product for our drop shipping, and we will now choose. Okay, for example to that guys is this, hold on, so this 1301. So we are going to be directed to another page, which is this one. So here we will choose here our final product, and I'm decided to choose this one, and we are now headed to the another page where you can see the some type of variations of the product as you can see here guys, and you will see here the price here, you can see it. And then also guys, right beside that one is the shipping information, so you can see, and then here you can choose a quantity and right here guys you will see the buy now button or the add to cart. And if you scroll down here guys, you should be able to see here the specifications. Right beside here is below it here is a description, and then here you can also see here the buyer questions, answers, and then of course guys is the reviews of the buyers. So here we can just tap this customer reviews, just that one, and then after that one guys is I will explain to you how can we drop ship. So our drop shipping guys will not be complete if you will not log into your Shopee Seller Center. So you just need to log in here guys. As you can see, you can log in by your email or phone number or Facebook or through Google. So after you log in guys, you will be headed over here to the, okay, for a while. So you will be headed over here to the information section where this is the most important part. As you can see here guys, there is the shop information, and just a disclaimer guys is you cannot proceed to the next step guys if you don't have a legal store or an actual store, because the Shopee is just making sure that you are legitimate store for us to avoid scams. So, okay, just to make sure guys that you have a store so that you can submit this one after filling in. So after that one guys, is you can now proceed to the next step. But assuming guys that I am now done because I don't have an actual store. But in order to proceed, let's just assume that I have completed this part. So for example guys, if you are now done completing the part that you register, so assuming guys that this is a Shopee Seller Center website and this is what you will see there. So first thing is you need to add a product, and then there is the 4 steps on adding a product, the basic information, the sales information, the shipping, and the others. And then for the basic information guys, is you just need to add a product image or product video, and then add a product name, and then the category, and then the description. And then just please remember guys that you just need to copy and paste the descriptions that you will see in the AliExpress and then transfer it to your Shopee marketplace. Then for the, the sales information is you just need to add the specification, the attributes, and the country of origin. And then the shipping step guys is you just need to add the weight, the parcel size, and the shipping fee. And just like the last step guys, you just need to go back to the AliExpress website to copy some information there, and you just need to paste it on your product at your Shopee marketplace to complete this one. For example, to add the weight, the parcel size, and the shipping fee. And the last step guys is the very important step where you will see there the pre-order section, and you just need to click yes and then specify the days you need to ship. And you are ready to go. So before this tutorial ends guys, I am going to show you a flow here for a better understanding. So for example guys, if this is you and this is the Shopee and the AliExpress, then we also have here the customer. So let's say guys that you have already uploaded a product to your Shopee account that from the AliExpress, and someone places an order on your Shopee store, which is your customer. And now you will be the one to process this. You will place the order on AliExpress, the order of your customer guys, but the address that you will use is the buyer's address. And that's how you dropship from AliExpress to Shopee. And if you found this video helpful guys, just click this like button and subscribe.